That's a big fucker. Come on, kid. Come on, baby. Come over this way. Whoa, he said, fuck you. You're fucking lying. You need to realize some slack. Whoa, baby. He said, fuck you. You should be filming this shit.
I am filming it. You think I'm not?
Come on, T, you have to break the fucking knife again?
Yep. You know there's fish in here, boys.
About 6 pounder.
I'll bring it to you, but I'm trying to get video.
Here,
This might be better than six.
exactly.
I don't know. You give him up.
That could be a large one.
You know, fucking Off your fucking
What do you use
head.
this sticky plate?
Shrimp.
Shrimp with red Kool-Aid.
I know.
Look, I can't wait to watch him start jumping out of there. Oh, there he is.
You ain't giving up.
This one's really fighting.
Boy, cracky.
Here he is.
Look out.
Oh,
dude.
is that
I
a
gotta get
catfish?
over
That's a catfish.
Yes, sir.
here. Look out, man.
6 pounder.
Hey,
I'm gonna grab my claw.
come here, motherfucker. Ah, yeah. All right, all right, all right, all right.
Now we're talking. Hell yeah.
Tell me about it, boys.
Nice.
That's fucking 7 pounds, dude. 8 pounds.
Nice. That's a nice one.
Stand down here. Stand down here.
Oh, here we got the fish
Get
scale.
the fuck away from the water.
Yeah, we don't want to flop them back in.
Five, 8, 5, 9. 5, 6 pounder.
Nice.
Like 6 pounds.
Good job, Tim.
That's a nice one. That's the biggest one
Yeah.
out of all the licks so far.
Caught it right out of here, dude.
Need to keep going or let him out?
Big old
Fuck
fucking
it, so.
They were having fucking tacos, fish
Keeping that
tacos.
bit.
Big old girthy tail.
I needed one more for fish tacos. Okay, there we go. Set him down. I'll grab my